So we are on chapter number 5, which is zombie fighting. Now that we have a source of some randomness in our contract, we can use it in our zombie battle to calculate the outcome. Our zombie battles will work as follows. You choose one of your zombies and choose an opponent zombies to attack. If you are the attacking zombie, you will have a 70% chance of winning. The defending zombie will have a 30% chance of winning. All zombie attacking and defending will have win count and lose count that will increment depending on the outcome of the battle. If the attacking zombie wins, it levels up and spawns a new zombie. If it loses, nothing happens except the loss count incrementing. Whether it win or lose, the attacking zombie cooldown time will be triggered. There is a logic to implement, so we'll do it in pieces over the coming chapter. Let's do the test. Give our contract a unit variable called attack victory probability. Unit victory probability and set it to 70. Okay. Now let's create a function, call it attack, and it will take two parameters, unit underscore zombie id, comma unit underscore target id. It should be an external function. External function. Okay. Leave the function body empty for now. So here it is. We have created the attack function and initialize a variable attack victory probability and set it to 70. Now let's check the answer. That is correct. Now let's move on to chapter number 6.